Hey, dude, so, did you ever hear about fried chicken alert? What's fried chicken alert? I don't know. Hey! Yo, I definitely didn't touch him. Yes? Would you guys like to go to the Giants World? We could, kill some giants. No, killing giants. I just want to check them out. Oh my gosh. Black Yoshi fainted again. Oh, I'm gonna go get him. Sure, okay? I don't know if he wants to, but we're gonna take him anyway. Okay. Piss off. Piss off, man. Piss off. Oh, man. Oh! Where are we? Holy. Yep. How do you like it? Hey, what you doing, man? Hey, I'm gonna kill you. No! Let's go! Oh, shit! Let's go! Oh, that's not gonna hurt me. Let's go! Holy shit, where are we, man? You never told us about... The giants are sleeping. If we wake them up, they're literally gonna murder us. Unless you slap them to death with those freaking squid arms and freaking OP. You want me to use them on you? No. Ah! Shh. Put him to sleep. Okay. Oh, ow. Ew, gross. No, who are you? I'm a squish you. No, my friend. I mean, that's Black Yoshi's power. Let's go. He's gonna chase after us. Oh, now we need to go all the way back so we could go to Vault Valley. What's Vault Valley? I don't know. I'm just gonna name it that, but there's a valley nearby. Come on. Hey, buddy, you wanna fight me and my friends? Yeah, you wanna fight me and my friends? No. Oh, I thought you did. I do. Oh, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Punch him in the cock. Screw you, man. Screw you. Hey, anybody want some fried chicken? Because I'm about to lay this ass. Fuck off, man. Oh, man, you know how much I want fried chicken. Hey, you viewers, shut the fuck up, okay? I want you to stop watching the video, okay? Stop watching it. Holy shit, man. You must have ate a lot of fried chicken if I'm right. Can you even speak? Yes. Where'd you find this guy? I didn't find him, but he just... Yeah, kind of encountered this guy by saying, oh shit, but you know what? It's completely fine by me. You know what you just did? What? You killed us? What the fuck do I do, man? What the fuck do I do? Hey, roll over, doggy, bad doggy, you're not listening, you're not gonna get any treats, like fried chicken, that you've always been eating since you were 2. Roll over, wanna fight, shoot him in the penis, no, do it, that's what you get. I don't want no recording. I want no recording. Right in there. Where's that Mario? I'm right here. I'm not boss. Oh shit. Well, I mean, we're all injured, but at least I did the lick ball. I mean, I did it last time, so I guess the special guest we get next time to help us make a video. Yeah, by the way, viewers at home, we're actually going to be making a lot of plushie videos together, me and Meggy. We're best friends. I feel uncomfortable. It's not what it looks like. I'm just gonna go this. Anyway, Black Yoshi. What? It hurts. It hurts. You say you were gonna give me Popeyes. You say you were gonna give me Popeyes. Where's my Popeyes? Where's my Popeyes? No fried chicken. Whoa, Bone. Why not? I want fried chicken. Fried chicken. No fried chicken. No fried chicken? This is why he makes videos with Meggy. Because he keeps giving her fried chicken. Not me. Just her. Don't you guys get that? That's so friendist. It's friendist? I don't know. Okay. I'm just sad that the Giants almost killed us. I'm trying to save y'all lives. I mean, I saved yours and Meggy, so you should be thanking me. Anyway. Oh, screw you, man. Screw you. Screw.